What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video, and we're going over Dogecoin and baby Dogecoin today. And yes, yesterday we had this huge jump inside the price, inside the whole crypto market yesterday. The whole crypto market went big yesterday. So yeah, I believe today we could also do the same thing. We could also shoot up really huge today. So anything could happen, especially with the whole thing with Amazon, and we're going to talk about that later. And there's a lot of different things going on. So Amazon might be accepting Dogecoin, Amazon might be accepting Bitcoin, Ethereum, all that. And we have a lot of different stuff going on, the short squeeze going on with Bitcoin. So let's talk about all of this, right? So as you can see, yesterday Dogecoin just went up so huge yesterday. Let's go over here and look at it from a smaller perspective so we can just see yesterday's growth. So just looking at yesterday's growth alone, we went all the way down from here, all the way down from 19 cents all the way up here, and now we're kind of leveling out before we continue to do our rise in price action. So I do believe that we are now on a consolidation type period. So that is just my personal opinion. Remember, I am not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. So do not, take financial advice from me, because I'm not giving financial advice. This could be a huge consolidation period for us. Now, whether or not we're going to break down out of this or break out inside of a positive trend line, no one truly knows that. In my personal opinion, I do believe that this whole short squeeze thing is going to be, it's possibly going to be short-lived, but we may also have a rise in price action. We may just shoot out of this and break out of this consolidation. So hopefully we do that. Coming over here and looking at this though, everything is up huge. We have Dogecoin up 13%. We have Dogecoin up 26% for the last 7 days. We have Bitcoin at 13% and 25% for the last 7 days. So Bitcoin and Dogecoin are like hand in hand right now with the growth. Same thing with Ethereum. Everything is going up so huge right now. So the whole crypto market, everyone is happy right now. But this could be a fake out. They love to call this the dead cat bounce, and you all know what that is. That is when it goes all the way down to the bottom. You think it's over, and it starts to going up, and like, oh, okay, we're about to come back. Yep, we're not about to go down anymore, and then boom, it goes right back down. So it could or could not be that. I don't know which one is going to be personally, but anyways, I do believe that we are going to have a little bit more of a price action, a little bit more growth before we decide to come back down to our lower amounts. But anyways, that's just my personal opinion. That's why I said I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice. Don't want to tell you guys to do anything. I don't want to tell y'all to buy or sell. It's all your choice. It's all your decision. Yeah, leave it up to you. Definitely do your own due diligence. But looking at all the buying happening with all these whales, these whales are buying a lot. I mean, this is only 10,000, 200,000 here and there for this whale. But we have other whales that are doing, larger purchases like this whale. This whale came in today with $101 million. So a lot of people are looking at this like it's a huge buying opportunity. This whale came in with 101 million. Now they only have 99 million. But hopefully, we continue to rise. But yeah, whales are coming in and they're buying this dip like it is nothing. So I would say this is a good time to buy Dogecoin, because you never know if it's going to go up or down. But anyways, anything could happen. Like, we were just now at 16 cents not too long ago. So just thinking about where we were at before and where we're at now, like, we could go down to 16 cents like just like that. Things happen so quickly. Like, look at the last 7 days in Dogecoin. 7 days ago we were at 16 cents. So anything can happen at this point. We could, inside of 7 more days, be at 30 cents. We could, inside 7 more days, be at 40 cents. Or we could go right back down to 16 cents. So really anything can happen in Dogecoin right now. You can't count Dogecoin out, because all the cryptos are really doing well. And when all of them start doing bad, that's when everyone's going to be like, oh, I told you so, I told you so. But just know, I'm saying it here right now, that this may be short-lived. It may be short-lived, because we did the technical analysis in our previous videos, and I explained how we have one more bear cycle. But right when I explain that, all of this happens, and then we have a short squeeze, because the whole Bitcoin short squeeze is going on as well. And then Amazon announces that they might be accepting Bitcoin, and then on top of all this, we had the B word conference. So everything just kind of stacked on top of each other. And remember, everything's following Bitcoin, so everything stacking on top of each other just made this whole price action go crazy. So at this point, anything is possible and anything can happen. Now the whales are taking advantage of this price, so the whales are buying in right now. But right now, what I'm seeing with this whale is buying inside of smaller amounts. But honestly, I don't know what's gonna happen, so don't take my word on anything. But let's go on the next one. So Dogecoin rallies at Bitcoin as Bitcoin moves towards $40,000. So Bitcoin at 40K. Once Bitcoin passes 40K, it's done. Like right then and there, we are not going to have a whole bear cycle if Bitcoin passes 40K. If Bitcoin passes 40K, it might just go on a huge rally back up to 50K. And if that happens, Dogecoin is going up to a huge rally back up to 30 cents. And that's just my personal opinion. So, I'm going to stand on that opinion because I do believe if Bitcoin passes 40K, that was huge resistance that we had, and it would send us skyrocketing to the moon, literally. But anyways, let's read what we have here. So it says that Amazon may begin to accept Bitcoin payments. This is one of the reasons why we shot up yesterday with Bitcoin. So Bitcoin gained strong upside momentum after reports indicated that Amazon may accept Bitcoin payments by the end of this year. So not surprisingly, speculative traders rushed to go buy Bitcoin after all of this craziness, and then people went to rush and buy Ethereum, XRP, everything. People just started buying every single crypto inside the market just so they can profit off of it. And it says, while Amazon news has certainly served as the main catalyst for the recent rally, it looks that short covering, which is the whole short squeeze they were talking about, has also played a role in this rally. Some traders rushed to short Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies when Bitcoin made an attempt to settle below the key support level of $30,000. Bitcoin failed to gain downside momentum and began to rebound. Like, Bitcoin does not like being below 30K. Let's just say that. It never likes being below 30K. And this was their whole technical analysis here. I guess you could view this if you want. And this is their whole technical analysis. I did my technical analysis, so I'm not gonna bother with theirs. But anyways, I do believe that we're gonna do a lot of good things inside of Bitcoin and Dogecoin inside the coming days. But anyways, Dogecoin is currently trying to stay above the 22-cent RSI, remains in the moderate territory, so there is plenty of room to gain additional upside momentum in case the right catalyst emerges. So the nearest material resistance level for Dogecoin is located at 2250. So that is their resistance. That's saying if Dogecoin gets back above this level, it will move towards the resistance of 23 cents. So that is what we're looking at here. So the 2250 one, they're saying right here, that was resistance. And then they're saying that our next one would be 23 cents, which we had. So hopefully we can get past both of those because Dogecoin needs to go rally up all the way. But anyways, Dogecoin price forecast. Can Dogecoin violate 23 cents? I believe Dogecoin can violate 23 cents. That is a huge resistance level for us. But anyways, the bullish drive from the whole Dogecoin going higher thing. We had the whole, the B word conference that also helped. We have Amazon, we have that whole thing. We have the short squeeze with Bitcoin. So there's a lot of FOMO going on. There's fear of missing out. People have so much FOMO right now. They're just throwing their money in. But we just have to hope that the FUD cycle does not come and slap us in the face. So remember, our FOMO is fear of missing out, and FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt. Right now, this is like FOMO 101 right now. Everyone is having so much FOMO, just throwing money left and right. So anyways, the whole cryptocurrency market was experiencing inflows, blah, 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 strong dollar pressures, blah, blah, blah. We have this 23 cent resistance. That's all that matters, that we break this 23 resistance. None of this other stuff matters, right? We just need to break the the 23 cents resistance. I wish Dogecoin was at $23. I know you all wish it was too. Like, that would be really cool. But anyways, should you sell Dogecoin and take profits, or hold it and wait for the moonshot? And Billy Marcus has some advice for you people out there, which is Shibatoshi Nakamoto, as he calls himself. He says, in my opinion, people should take enough profits that they don't go insane if it goes down, and still have enough for a moonshot if it goes up. That's how I play casino. If I'm up, I'll keep what I put in plus some profits and play the rest with house money. So pretty much this is what I do. All right, so let's say I put $1,000 into Dogecoin. My $1,000 shoots to $10,000. What I'm going to do, I'm going to withdraw $9,000, which is all the profits I just made, and then I'm going to leave the original $1,000 investment, and then vice versa for whichever one has more money in it. So honestly, if I make $9,000, I'm taking out $9,000 and then leaving in the previous $1,000 that got me there. So that's me. I leave the initial investment, take out all the profits, and that's how you completely win in every single thing that you do. So always take out those profits. I know it's kind of controversy to what all the other people talk about. People say, no, just hold diamond hands to the moon. But what's the point of that when it goes all the way up to the top and then it dips right after that? Because we know it happens time and time again inside all these cryptos. Like, look at Dogecoin from year to day. Like, literally, like, look at what Dogecoin did. It went all the way up. If this would ever load, let's just go click here to the year and then click the year to the day. All right, so Dogecoin came all the way up here. If you were like everyone else, diamond hands to the moon, holding, and you held all the way from way back here, like, you made a lot of money, but then you lost it all right again. So that's why it's best to go all the way up here, sell your profits, leave your initial investment, let it go all the way down, take all the profits, put them back in when it hits the bottom, and then boom, you're just printing out money like that, right? That is pretty much what I would say to do, and what anyone else in their right mind would say to do. But anyways, like I said, this whole Dogecoin meme right here, I'm trying to tell you that Dogecoin is money. Literally, Dogecoin is money. So let's go on to the baby Dogecoin. So baby Dogecoin has been doing pretty good in the last 24 hours here. So anyways, with baby Dogecoin up 19% in the last 24 hours. That is a huge price jump there. I mean, a lot of other stuff has went up way more than that. So hopefully baby Dogecoin can do way more than that and get back to how we were in the last 30 days, up 64%. But we're still down 45% in the last 14 days because we're down from our all-time high. Hopefully baby Dogecoin can rebound there, because I see a lot of potential with baby Dogecoin. A lot. Like, whenever I talk about Dogecoin, people mainly want to hear about baby Dogecoin. Like, people just see the upside momentum and the potential with baby Dogecoin. So there's just a lot of potential. Look at how many holders we have though. 503,000 holders. Yesterday was 498,000 holders. So literally 5,000 holders overnight. This is the type of stuff that baby Dogecoin does. Like, baby Dogecoin is like one of the best cryptos out right now, hands down. Like, yes, it doesn't have a bunch of use cases, but it's the community that makes this coin worth it. Baby Dogecoin is going to the moon. I'm just gonna say it right now. Like, I know. Everyone's saying it's going to the moon, moonshot, blah blah blah. But this is like 100% of an opinion, I guess. 100% my personal opinion. I think baby Dogecoin is going to be just like Dogecoin. So it's going to have all those huge price gains like how we had in Dogecoin previously. Like, look at what Dogecoin did, and now look at what it's doing now. It's kind of going down. And then look at baby Dogecoin. It kind of looks the same, doesn't it? Now, hopefully it kind of comes back from all of this, because like baby Dogecoin started all the way back down there, and it hasn't been out for as long as Dogecoin. So like baby Dogecoin is like right here in the cycle. Like, this is where I believe baby Dogecoin is at in the cycle. So we have another huge price rally to go with baby Dogecoin. That's just my personal opinions. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. But 503,000 people know that this is going hard. So look, 503,336 people. You refresh, 503,383 people. Wow. That was literally about, I would say about 50 people, 40 people, give or take, bought into baby Dogecoin while we're making this video. That's a lot of people. And then on top of that, you can literally race with the baby Dogecoin car right here. You can put the skin on a car or whatever this iRacing game is. I'm not too sure about it, but iRacing, go ahead and play it. It's a whole PC game, and it has baby Dogecoin. Let me go ahead and mute this. But look at that. You're going to drive around in this baby Dogecoin car. So yeah, you can now have the baby Dogecoin NASCAR in this game. So also, baby Dogecoin is now giving away $1,000. So definitely opt in for that if you guys want to win $1,000. They're about to, give away. So that would be pretty cool. They're probably going to do it in baby Dogecoin too. So together we can baby Doge. So baby Doge is with everybody here. Everybody is connecting with this whole baby Doge community. And like I said, the holders 503k plus, and lots of stuff is going on with baby Dogecoin. But for now, this is all I really have. So remember, I'm not a financial advisor, and none of this is financial advice. But if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe, and check out the link in the description for free stock with Robinhood and Webull. And I'll be back with another video. Peace.